Today it's Wednesday, March the 3rd, 2021, and this video it's called the low voltage high current for the North Port cabinet according to drawing E2403, I believe. And what we're doing here is we are checking the rectifier in the cabinet for the maximum output current while checking the current readback from the current transducer, checking that the fans, the cooling works, and more importantly checking that once the cabinet is closed, once we are running at full current, we have a thermal equilibrium and that it is safe and we're not going to experience any overheating conditions. Really quick, the setup on this is as follows. We take 480 from the wall, we go through a variac, and we bring in low voltage. In this particular case, through this step-down transformer, we have 1.7 volts line to line. That we bring in for reference into the board. We clear the phase loss. We bring in these heavy cables into the contactor that goes through the rectifier. We have a short directly across the output, and we measure the 4020 readback out of the transducer. The couple of things that we also have is what we have out here at 2728, that it's a thermocouple that follows right here, that it's being located on the heatsink and closest to the middle SCR, dual SCR, to record the hottest spot on the heatsink SCR junction. Right now we have 28.5 degrees heat, and it is increasing. We also have 20 milliamps, so we are firing our board at minimum delay angle, although we wouldn't see any output because the output is short. And what we have right now is 78 volts DC across the output. We have 70, we're good? 78.5 amps DC here, sorry, not volts. Let me see if we have here, and here we have 62.8, 63 amps. So Tony, I'm going to ask you to increase just a bit until we get to 100. So I have 78.5, 891, that's good right there. 106, 104.5 amps DC, 83.4 amps, and the current readback just went up a little, which is a fraction again of the, we have it on the 0 to 400, and we can see that the temperature now, it's increasing. Now it's at 30 C. So again, this was done for a maximum of 260 amps DC, and we verified that the fan came in. Once the fan came in, it was just it reached a thermal equilibrium, and it looks pretty safe. So this is the end of this video that shows the low voltage high current test.